Hello again, all my faithful viewers, all 265 of you. It is time for me to get started on my next non-haunting project, and that is a stand for my new table saw. So I got all the measurements all ready to go and ready to start cutting, so let's get at it. So the first thing I'll be doing is cutting the frames for the walls, and I'll be using pocket holes to secure them all together. So let me get started with that. All right, have all of those cut. Now I'm getting ready to drill the pocket holes and assemble all of the walls. What's next? So now I'm going to attach the frames together using these screws, these pocket hole screws, and that special bit. So let me get going on that. All right, there's one down, 4 more to go. All right, there is the last of the frames. Now we need to assemble them up into a box. That's next. All right, I'll put glue up on the top here. And attach that to it. And that's pretty much what I'm going to do with the rest of them, so I'll show you that when I'm done. Alright, that's all the sides put together. So, got a nice box here. I need to cut some plywood to fit into these areas here. So that's next. I'm just going to rip it right down the center here, and then it'll be easier for me to use the table saw over there. old knees. Okay, so I have this all set up. It's 23 inches, and so I'm just bring the blade up. Okay, so I'm going to cut it down to its size. Alright, that looks good there. Let me get these all secured, and then we'll measure out the back one. Alright, let me flip it and do the other side. Alright, got those in. Let's measure the back and get that one cut. Alright, got the back on. Now I need to cut the bottom and the top. Alright, that's next. You know what I'm going to do first? I think I'm going to put a shelf in here. So I'm going to cut some runners to put the shelf on. I got these supports cut out, and I have this ready to go in, so that's next. You know, I don't know if I necessarily like this. That seems like a dark hole where a lot of stuff could get lost in. But we'll see. I might lower the shelf down and just bring this all the way down to the bottom. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens when I get everything to put together and try it for a little while. Anyway, we screw that in, and then it's time for the top, and then finally the casters. Okay, I have the top on. I've got lines drawn where the board is underneath it, and I'm getting ready to secure the bottom on and put the casters on. So I'll show you that when I'm done. All right, so the screws in. Time for the casters. Okay, casters are on. Let's flip it and see what it looks like with the saw on it. See how we did with all the measuring. All right, my driveway isn't flat, so I need to put this way so that at least the angle was the same. So here we go. The moment of truth. Take all the brakes out. Move it. Let's see. So that's pretty good. That's exactly what I wanted to do. All right, we're gonna call this project done. Thank you for watching, and I don't know, we'll see what's next. All right, go be awesome.